How to purchase games on EA app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can buy games on the EA Games application quickly and safely. First of all, launch open the EA application on your device and sign in with your EA account. And once you're logged in, from the home page, go to the search icon at the top and then type in the game you want to buy. Once you search for the game, from the search result, find the game you want to buy and then click on Select Edition. Now on the next page, you can choose your edition from Standard, Phantom or EA Play Pro Edition. Choose any one and click on Buy. Now, select a payment method or add one if you haven't already. You can add Apple Pay or credit card in order to purchase the game. Choose any one payment method you want to use and enter your details. If you select Apple Pay, you need to go ahead and click on Buy with Apple Pay and enter your credentials. If you want to use credit card, select the credit card option, enter your details and click Confirm. Once you add your payment method, go to the right hand corner and if you've got a promo code, click on Apply Promo Code and enter it in the text box and click Apply. Once you are done, click on the Pay Now button and you'll then be able to buy the game on EA Games application easily. Make sure that your payment method is valid, check if your device meets game requirements and always log out of shared device after purchase. So that is how you easily purchase a game on EA application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.